everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to play Good For You by Olivia Rodrigo on the keyboard with your right hand. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds and then I will go through each individual line and we'll do that for each verse until we've learnt the whole song. And if you'd like to hear how the song sounds all the way through, then skip to the time on the screen and it will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. But otherwise, here is verse 1 and I hope you enjoy the video. So for the first line of verse 1, we're going to play. So it's A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, E, C sharp. So again, that line is. The second line is, which is the same again. It's A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, E, C sharp. So it is the same as the first line. So again, that is. The next line is. So it's A, B, C sharp, B, A, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B. So again, that is. The next line is. Which is A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, E, C sharp. The next line is. So that is the exact same again. It's A, B, C sharp, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, E, C sharp. And the final line of verse 1 is. Which is A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, B, A, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B. So that is verse 1, let's play it again. The next part to play is now the chorus, so this is how it sounds. So the first line of the chorus is. So we're moving up to the higher A, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, B, E. So again, that is. second line of the chorus is so we're playing B, E, 5 C sharps, B, A, F sharp, the next line is so it's C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, A, B, E, B, E. The next line is, which is C sharp played 5 times, B, A, F sharp. The next line is, which is 6 C sharps, D, B, and the next line is C sharp, B, E, C sharp, D, C sharp, A, B, E. The next line is A, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, A, B, C sharp, B, E. And the final line of the chorus is B, B, E, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, A, B, F sharp. So that is it for the chorus. Let's play it again. The next part to learn is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. The first line of verse 2 is A, B, C sharp, A, B, C sharp, B, C sharp, E, C sharp. The second line is C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, E, C sharp. The next line is which is A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, B, 7 C sharps, and then B. So again that is the next line is which is the same as the second line, so it's A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, B, which is the exact same line again, and then the next line is, which is C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, E, C sharp, B, C sharp, C sharp, B, C sharp, C sharp. And the final line is, which is B played 12 times, and then C sharp, C sharp. And that is it for verse 2. Let's play it again. Next, you can play the chorus again, and then the final part to learn is the bridge, and this is how the bridge sounds. So the first line of the bridge is, so we're playing F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, C sharp, B. The second line is very similar. It's F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, C sharp, B. The next line is F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, C sharp, B. And the final line of the bridge is F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, and then the higher C sharp, B, C sharp. So that is it for the bridge. Let's play it again. So after the bridge, you can play the chorus again, and then the final part to play is the outro, which is just one line. It's just... So it's A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, E, C sharp. it's just the same as the lines that we're playing in the beginning. So that is everything for this song. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.